Ayan po. Yan lang po talaga yung pinunta namin dito. Yung falls. Hindi po kami makakaligo ngayon kasi umuulan. So, hindi po kaya gawin yun. Pero bago ang lahat, papakita lang po muna namin yung view sa inyo. Bo, 1, 2, 3.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can
Final sa talaga to. Hanggang dito na lang guys yung video.